A laundry basket is useful only when it is not taking over the closet between loads. The SAMMART collapsible basket combines a 42-liter open capacity with a flat folding body. This video contains affiliate links, and I may earn a commission from qualifying purchases. The supplied listing gives expanded dimensions of roughly 23 by 17.5 by 10.5 inches. When collapsed, the height is listed at about 2.7 inches. The pop-up design is meant to open without separate assembly, and the rigid rim and base help the walls keep their shape while the flexible middle folds down. Comfort grip handles provide 2 carrying points for laundry, toys, clothing, or supplies. The listed BPA-free plastic construction also makes it suitable as a general household or trunk organizer. Its main ownership advantage is storage. The basket can slide under a bed, against a closet wall, or into a narrow cabinet when it is empty. The limitation is the folding structure itself. Flexible sections can feel less rigid than a one-piece basket, and 42 liters may be too small for very large family loads or bulky bedding. Overall, the SAMMART basket fits apartments, dorms, recreational vehicles, and homes where storage space is scarce. Buyers who keep a basket permanently full may prefer a rigid hamper.